Hey, it's Jacob here over at Cosmo Motors in Hickory, North Carolina. Just go ahead and do a quick video walk around of this 2005 BMW M3. This one is set up with Dinan exhaust, Dinan wheels, and a Dinan Stage 3 supercharger. Really nice Michelin tires wrapped around those wheels. Go ahead and kind of show you. Couple spots here and there. Little spot there. Come back through. I love that cinnamon interior. Dinan exhaust. A couple of these spots here. Can't really see it. Back seat looks amazing. It is equipped with the Harman Kardon. 29,000 miles. These seats are as amazing as you would expect, maybe even a little bit better. Memory seats. And there's your 29,000 original miles. Heated seats. 6-speed manual. Go ahead and put the top up for us here. Nice and quick, nice and easy. Shuts down, windows go up. Show you underneath with all the goodies. Got an intake as well. See how good this thing looks with the top up. Glass defroster. Does look like it's got a little fading right here. I just noticed that. No rips, stains, tears, nothing like that on the top. That cinnamon interior, again, I absolutely love this color combo.